Out they pop from traps in the A4 4 leads, which is PORTDRINE POWER. Onto the second bend, nice run onto that. 1 is second, KYLETAUN JET. 5 is third, COSARD JET. It's 4, 1, 5. Then we have 2, 3 and 6. They have their work cut out to feature. It's 4, PORTDRINE POWER, if only just. 1 coming gamely in the outside, KYLETAUN JET. We're hitting the final turn, and it's 1 near side. 4 and 5 is going to be close to the line. An exciting finish. It's going to be difficult to separate these three. KYLETAUN JET, PORTDRINE POWER and COSARD JET.